GMO, genetically modified organisms. They take genes from one species and force it into the DNA of other species. And they can mix and match between species that have never normally mated. So they have spider genes that they put into goats in the hopes that they can milk the goat to get spiderweb protein to make bulletproof vests. I'm not making this up. They've taken cow genes and put them into pigs so that the pigs have cowhides. They've taken human genes and put it into corn to make spermicide. And food we eat, there's two main categories. The herbicide-tolerant crops, we can spray them with herbicide and not kill them, or the pesticide-producing crops that produce their own toxic insecticide that if a bug bites those plants, it breaks open the stomach and kills them. So they're completely swapping genes between the normal species barriers, creating new organisms that were not part of the evolutionary process.
In 1996, genetically engineered soy and corn were introduced into the American diet. Since then, numerous digestive disorders related to gut inflammation have been on the rise in the U.S. population. Is this just a coincidence? But inflammation creates additional serious disorders unrelated to digestion.
So I think we should probably look at allergies. I'm sure we should look at autoimmune diseases and, basically anything that's related to inflammation. Heart disease, kidney disease, diabetes, it doesn't stop.
So why exactly are we in this march against Monsanto? Because we don't want to be guinea pigs in a feeding experiment orchestrated by the world's largest chemical companies. We're here at this march because we can no longer tolerate the corporate takeover of our government and corporate favoritism over the will of the people. When former employees, executives of Monsanto and other biotech companies take on key positions in our government agencies like the FDA, the EPA, and the USDA, and then make laws and rules and positions that help the chemical companies and hurt us and the environment we live in. It's really outrageous when Congress and the President collectively passed the Monsanto Protection Act that bans courts from halting the sale of genetically modified seeds. We can no longer sit idly by and let this happen.
Where in hell can you go? Far from the things that you know, far from the sprawl of concrete that keeps crawling its way. About 1,000 miles a day. Take one last look behind. Commit this to memory and mind. But don't miss this wasteland, this terrible place when you leave. Keep your heart off your sleeve. Motherland, cradle me, close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't go. Don't you go. Oh, my 5 and dime queen, tell me, what have you seen? The lost and the avarice, the bottomless, the cavernous greed. Is that what you see? Oh, motherland, cradle me, close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't go. It's your happiness I want most of all, and for that I'd do anything at all. Oh, mercy me, if you want the best of it, or the most of all. If there's anything I can do at all. Now come on, shotgun bride, what makes me envy your life? Faceless, nameless, innocent, blameless, and free. What's that like to be? Oh, motherland, cradle me, close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't go, don't go. Motherland, cradle me, close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't